Hi guys, welcome back to my video.
What the
So this
sick
video I'm not
man?
playing Scary Baboon because as I said in the
Guys,
comments
how do I
that
play this
if we
game?
reach
How
10
do I play this
subscribers,
game?
I'm gonna do a part 2. But since
How
we
do I
didn't,
play
I'm gonna
this
make a
game?
multi video
How do I
and
play?
there might be a horror on
How do I
multi
play this game?
So
How do I play this game?
I decided to check it out and see how scary it will be.
What is,
My reaction.
how do I play?
We got the game modes, we got the horror.
It's just like
And let's go. Till the crash ends. Here we go. Why am I invisible? Okay, never mind. Click if you have an answer or accident delay. Accidental. Alright. What is this? Oh, this is obviously the back rooms.
that is horror mode.
I know that's the back
That
rooms.
looks like the back room. That's
Oh.
the horror mode. That is horror. Straight away, run.
There's something behind me. Oh shoot! Yo, what is that? Dude, what is that? What is that? What is that?
Get in this corner, Look, now you can chase after him.
Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Shoot, what is that? Dude, what is that? What is that? Oh, shoot, go, go, go! Someone's calling me.
You died?
Oh crap.
You
I
died?
can't do this.
That run!
No, dude, enough.
What the
I'm not doing this again.
Time for 3, 2, 1.